All right, so here is the Lego train in its finished form. Well, finished for now. I think inevitably I'll be adding some more track or something because that's just how it is. But there's been a few incarnations of this. Basically, what it came with was just a bunch of track, and there was some carriage bogies, and then one driving unit, and then the battery pack that went with it. So the original thing takes like 3 of these chunky fuck off batteries, which last about 10 minutes, rubbish. But obviously they come to 4.5 volts. So what I've done is I pulled off the battery pack housing thing to reveal all the copper circuit board stuff. Well, it's not a circuit board, but where the battery's connected. And I've plumbed in a phone bank power charger thing. So that's off USBs. One's running the front wheels, and the other one is running all the USB lights I've plumbed in. LED lights, as you'll see shortly. But what's really amazing about this, and I've tested it, I charged it up fully, which took about an hour and a half or something, and I left this thing running on a loop, and you won't believe it, 36 hours later it was still going, and there was still like 25% left on the phone bank. So it's pretty neat. So fire up the reactor, and we choose our light. We'll go with white. Come on. Oh, has the battery run out on this? How fucking annoying is that? It would appear so. Oh no, there we go. Right, so lights are on. I tried loads of different lighting options, and I kept, bulbs kept popping and this and that and the other. So I just went with an entire LED strip light in the end. And also with a little red Lego light lens on the back. But, so I've obviously got my Scalextric track going on, and I wanted a train in there, but to get something to scale, that sort of works, realistically with the size of the track and the cars themselves, I figured Lego was the best option. So I just bought this bundle off eBay, and of course I've got a ton of other Lego anyway, because I'm into building technical Lego models. My own models, by the way, not kits. But this has turned out really well, and I love it. So we've also added proper actual ballast. So I did a bit of landscaping the other day. I did some greenery, as you can see, bit of astroturf and some other bits of foliage, but it's all looking really good. I'm dead pleased with it, and the train's just fantastic. It's just a lovely thing just to have spinning round and doing its thing. I've actually had to add screws and nuts and bolts into these because they weren't heavy enough, so they kept derailing. So, but there we go. So happy with that. Also, as well, yeah, as you can see, it's elevated. It goes from ground level there, obviously, to this height. But that was really, really tricky to do, to get right, especially where it curves. Getting the curve, the inclinations right, very difficult, but very rewarding. You can see how gradual it goes there. But yeah, pleased with that. And that's my model railway.